most moving company owners are using AI like 200K sport car in a school zone. Two owners, same tools. One saves 10 minutes on emails, the other closed an extra 40K last month because his system follows up in every single lead while he's on a truck. Same AI, widely different results. And here's the difference in 7 levels. Level 1, I call it the tourist. You downloaded ChatGPT, you ask it stuff like you used to ask Google. How much should I charge for a 3-bedroom move? Write me a Yelp response. And it's cool. You're using a rocket ship as a flashlight. You are here if every time you open AI, you start from zero. No system, no repeatable process, just vibes. And here's how you leave level 1. You need to realize that the prompt is the product. The quality of you put in determines the quality of what you get out. That's it. That one mental shift moves you up. Level 2, prompt engineer. Now you understand the game. Input quality equals output quality. So let me give you 2 shortcuts that took me actually a month to figure out. First, stop prompting and start interviewing. Tell the AI, I need a follow-up email for a lead who ghosted me after getting a quote. Before you write anything, ask me every question you need to make this perfect. It will ask you about the timeline, the move size, the objection. Then it writes something that actually sounds like you talk to the customer. Night and day difference. Second, reverse engineer your widths. When you finally get a great output after going back and forth, say, write me that prompt that would have gotten this result from the first try. Now save that. You just built the reusable asset. That prompt will make you money over and over again. This alone gets you better follow-ups, better ad copy, and better review responses. No new tools, no spend, just better inputs. Next, level 3, the context builder. Here's where the real leverage starts. Everything before this was just one-off. Now you build once and benefit forever. ChatGPT and Cloud both have projects. Think of it as a workspace that already knows your business. Your load in your service area, your pricing, your brand, your voice, common objections, your competitor weaknesses. Done once. Now, every email, every follow-up, and every piece of content comes out sounding like your company. Not generic, not robotic. Yours. I see movers waste 20 minutes per email re-explaining their business to AI. That's insane. Build the project once. Save yourself thousands of hours over the next year. This is the difference between using a tool and having a system. Next, level 4, the arsenal builder. Level 3 people use one tool well. Level 4 people use the right tool for every job. This is where you stop asking what can ChatGPT do and you start asking what's the best tool for this specific problem. Concrete example for movers. Granola or Plot records your sales calls and give you a perfect notes. You stay present and you close more. Done. NotebookLM digest a 50-page competitor analysis or training material and just lets you ask it questions. So in research that took days, now it takes minutes. Lovable. This one that breaks people praise. You describe a tool you wish to exist and AI builds it. Right here, no code. Example, build me a calculator where I can input move details and generates a 3 email follow-up sequence, day 1, day 3, day 7, and customized to the move type. It's just build it, working, interactive in minutes. You're not limited by what software companies decided to build for you. You can build what you need. Most people don't know this is possible. Now you do. Level 5, the automation king. Everything before this, you still pushing the buttons. Level 5 is where button pushes themselves. The mindset shift. Stop asking, how do I do this faster? And start asking, how do I make this happen without me? For moving company, this is where the money is. Lead hits your website, text or call back in under 60 seconds, automatically. Quote sent, follow up, fires up on day 1, 3, and 7, automatically. Job completed, review request goes out that night, automatically. Call missed, AI agent answers, qualifies the lead, move the estimate, automatically. Every single one of those automations is a revenue multiplier, and the movers who don't have them, they're losing to ones who do. Every single day. The first one you build that runs without you touching it, that will change the way how you see the entire business, I promise. You will look at everything and think, why am I still doing this manually? And next is level 6, the system architect. You don't see problems anymore. You see systems that haven't been built yet. And at this level, you build an actual software for your operation. Custom dashboards, internal tools, full AI-powered phone systems. And you doing it by describing what you want to do it and how you want to see it, everything in plain English. For movers, this looks like a lead dashboard showing every prospect, their status, predicted close rate, and the next action, all in one view. An internal app where your crew checks into the jobs and customers get real-time updates, everything automatically. A complete AI phone system answers every call 24/7, qualifies leads, books estimates, and sends confirmations. You're not buying someone else's generic software anymore. You're building exactly what your operation needs. The competitive advantage here, and it's amazing. Just pick one problem that eats your hours every day. Build a solution. It won't be perfect, and actually it doesn't have to be. It needs to be better than doing it manually, and it will be. Next, level 7, the AI first operation. Nobody is fully here yet, but this is where the industry is going, and it's going fast, trust me. Picture this. A fleet of AI agents running your operation around the clock, answering every calls, following up on every lead, and managing your CRM, posting content, monitoring reviews, and dispatching crews, handling claims and paperwork, all automatically. Now, you focus on the only things that actually requires you. You closing big contracts. You building relationships, you leading your team. Everything else is a system. The first moving company that operates like this, with a lean crew, is going to absolutely destroy their market. The tools exist today, right now. Most movers haven't connected the dots yet. And here's your homework. Be honest with yourself. What level are you at? Don't lie. Don't round up. Then pick one action to move to the next level this week. Just one. Because the gap between movers who figure out this soon and movers who don't is about to become unclosable. And it's happening right now. Comment your level below and I'll tell you exactly what to do next.